Always. It's your boy here, Corebeatz SA, back with another one, and this time hitting harder than before. So I'm back with another sample pack. This one is a Sgija sample pack, 300 MB, with a bundle of interesting samples inside: drum loops, shakers, packs, presets, midis, box, all of them in one piece. So this is a compiled sample pack. It's a compiled sample pack of all the Sgija sample packs that I have. They all round up to 250 MB. So I'm sharing this sample pack in appreciation of my first ever 500 subscribers on YouTube. So I appreciate you guys, and this is all for you. Enjoy the sample pack, make bangers. You can come back into this video and just drop random links of your bangers. I'll listen, guys. I'll listen. So this is the sample pack. You can find the link in the description box below. Sorry for my English. In the description box below. It only costs a subscriber. All you have to do is just subscribe to my channel. Let me grow. And all. So that's all. So this is the sample pack. I won't go through it much. You'll see it for yourself. It's so many sample packs. The video will be longer if I had to go through the sample pack. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, comment. The comment section is for you guys, free. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy the sample pack.